In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate to the Jira default user preferences from the system dashboard. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will guide you smoothly through each step. Let's jump right in and explore this feature. First, when you're on your Jira dashboard, take a look towards the top right corner of your screen. You will see a gear icon, which serves as a gateway to system settings and many other vital functionalities within Jira. Hover over this gear icon, and ahead of you will appear several options. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next step. Once you've clicked the gear icon, you'll notice a drop-down menu unfolding before you. Among the list of options, you should see the term System. Click on System, and it will take you to the System Settings page. This is where you can access various administrative features and configure your Jira environment according to your needs. Now, with the System page open, direct your attention to the left panel. This panel acts as your navigation pane through the system settings. Among the options here, you will find Default User Preferences. Go ahead and click on it. This section allows you to view and adjust the default settings applied to all users in Jira. By configuring these settings, you can streamline user experiences and ensure a consistent environment for everyone using the platform. And there you go. You're now at the Jira Default User Preferences page. It's as simple as that. From here, you can view any established user preferences and make adjustments, enhancing the functionality for your team or organization. This quick access and customization allow you to efficiently manage user environments, ensuring that every user's experience aligns with your organization's goals. That's all you need to do to reach and potentially modify the default user preferences in Jira. As you can see, Jira's interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easier to manage your team's settings and workflows. By following these steps, you gain the ability to offer a consistent setup for all users while maintaining flexibility for specific adjustments when necessary. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has made the process clearer for you. Whether you're a seasoned Jira user or someone just starting, understanding how to navigate through the system's settings is crucial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.